Hi, this is Brett with Harborside Marina. I'm standing here with a 2020 Cutwater 24 Coupe. We sold this boat new back in 2020 to the owner, and it only has 70 hours on it. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to give you a full in and out tutorial. We're proud to offer this 2020 Cutwater 24 Coupe. It's been very well kept. It comes with an easy loader, aluminum trailer, spare tire, the anchor windlass package, bow thruster, electric hydraulic brakes on the trailer, this boat's been kept inside when not being used. It's never been left in the water. Fishing rod holders, flagpole holder on the back, the underwater lights, trim tabs. The unique feature on the Cutwater is the trailer lights are actually intertwined into the boat itself. So if you put your blinker on or your brakes, the boat here will actually do that because of the way the trailer's set up. So for safety going down the road, it's a really nice feature. Actually have a side marker here that goes through the trailer lights. Nice big bow rail. It's perfect for the river if you want to hit Lake Michigan on a nice day. The double stepped hull gives you a really nice ride, gets you up on top of the water. There's a washdown back here. All right, now we're up on the back deck. You can see you got an electric grill, sink, got a Livewell, rod holders, some speakers along with your power hookup. It's definitely a nice option to be able to open up this back window, flip the seat from the cabin, and get some extra seating, or if you got a little rain or something, you can have the awning and still get some air in the boat. Got decent size walkways, little lip there, gives you something to kind of stand on as you walk around. Coming inside, you have the sink with cutting board cover still in the plastic. Got a alcohol and electric stove top. Nice storage. The fridge still has the factory plastic cover on it. Oh, the interior is perfect. This is your digital shift and throttle. Trim tabs. Beautiful wood steering wheel. Bow thruster. Got the Garmin digital display on the Yamaha. 67.8 hours. Ship to shore radio. Compass. Everything you could picture in a larger 30+ foot yacht, all in this nice package. This is the Fusion stereo with a place to put your phone charge. The seats will flip-flop so you can either sit across from each other or this will drop down and then you can flip them all the way and have a bed here. Gotta get a shot of the microwave. And then down below, this will flip up. You have all your panel controls, battery switches, everything convenient right there. Your inverter control, air conditioner, and then he's got the storage in here, but there is a full bed underneath. There's also a raft, about a $3,000 emergency raft that's not included but available if you would like to purchase that separately. And then down here you got the bed. Nice skylights. Try to get a shot for you here. A little shaving mirror, TV. It does have the TV antenna to pick up the digital signals. And your head comes into here. It's got a pump head. And this will convert. Move these cushions here. And then, sorry about the camera. Pole goes in there. And then you got your table. And that just goes back like that. So the cabin is fully air conditioned up top and down below. There's screens for everything, so they either have blinds here, they go across, and screens for the opening windows. There's covers for all the front windows, along with the sides. And the back has outside covers that snap on the back door and everything to give you the privacy that you need. Thanks for watching the video, and let me know if you have any questions. Again, I'm Brett with Harborside Marina in Wilmington, Illinois. Feel free to give us a call at 815-476-4400 or check us out on our website, harborsidemarina.com. Have a great day.